When you think about turning air into water, you're probably picturing clouds, raindrops, and maybe a tall glass of refreshing water, right? Well, that's not what we're talking about today. Forget your typical rain. Today, we're diving into how we can literally pull water out of thin air. Sounds crazy, right? Stick with me, because this could actually change the way we bring clean water to places that need it the most. And hey, drop a comment below and let me know where you think this mind-blowing tech could save the day. And no, your kitchen sink doesn't count. With so many places around the world struggling to get clean water, a group of 7 scientists asked themselves, why should we rely on transporting water when we could literally pull it out of thin air? Crazy idea. But here's what you wouldn't expect. Nature has already figured this out. Plants, like the Sarracenia, have been quietly collecting water from the air for ages. So, these scientists, Yunjie Guo, Jie Li, Lisheng Ma, Wentian Shi, Yuke Wang, Shuo and Yaning Liu, decided to take a page from nature's playbook. They studied how these plants do it and came up with a solution that could revolutionize water collection. And just last week, they shared all their groundbreaking findings in a paper that, trust me, isn't your typical bedtime reading. The paper is titled, Preparation of Aluminum-Based Superhydrophobic Surfaces for Fog Collection by Bio-Inspired Sarracenia Microstructures. If you're looking for something to read at 3 a.m. when you can't sleep, this one's a surefire cure. All right, picture this. The researchers started with a plain old block of aluminum, like how you'd start with a blank Word doc, ready to be filled with genius words. But instead of typing, they whipped out a high-powered laser and carved tiny grooves and ridges into the surface. Think of it like building mini water slides for droplets, because even water needs a little thrill, right? Once those patterns were in place, the aluminum went for a luxury chemical spa day. We're talking UV light treatments and a dip in some secret sauce that made the surface so slippery, water wouldn't dare hang around. It just slides off, kind of like you do when someone mentions taxes. So, what did these genius scientists discover? Well, they basically turned aluminum into a water magnet. Their best surface slurped up 1.58 grams of water in just 30 minutes, like a sponge on steroids, with an efficiency of 790 milligrams per square centimeter per hour. Turns out, channel height and spacing are a big deal. Who knew? And surfaces that were super slippery collected water faster than your Wi-Fi signal, disappearing during a Zoom call. And the best part? Even after 15 rounds of testing, their superstar surface only lost 8.1% of its water, proving it's built for the long haul. So yeah, this isn't just about pulling water from thin air. It's about hacking nature's secrets with lasers and aluminum. If that doesn't make you want to hit like and subscribe, well, maybe you're the kind of person who drinks their coffee without caffeine. Welcome to the BioByte crew, where we explore out on science and maybe change the world while we're at it.